Won't be 100% accurate because I don't have the subframe and seat, which isn't a lot of weight, but it's some, right? So I can show what I mean. Okay, look. Not much. Little tiny bit. Yeah, it's pretty good. Maybe a tiny bit more. We'll see here. I love this stand. There was a trade-in. Somebody owed me some money. Awesome. Yeah, let's go a little bit more. Let's do it. Thinking that's probably good. It's getting pretty tight. You don't need to over tighten those, but don't under tighten them either. I've seen them come off and slack off, and then the other one, just some vibration will eventually go back, and it'll end up way up here, and it'll just be sagged in the back end, and you won't know why or what's going on. Did I break a spring? You don't know. Tear it down, and there, like it's. I've seen it happen. So you do have to get it a little bit tight. Test it one more time. Yeah, it's right up. Subframe and stuff might be a little bit of weight on it. It might not be perfect, but it's way better than it was. A little touchy. Thanks for rolling on ya.